So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Happy Bringling. My name is Anshab Jain. I'm founder and MD of Bringle UK and India. And thanks to all of you for joining this session on our initiative of transforming 1 billion lives, 1 million businesses and 100 unicorns. We are all experts or entrepreneurs. And we need to be very, very careful about that we run our businesses with an entrepreneurial mindset. In today's world, whether we run businesses, whether we are in working in a job, whether we are having our own businesses or we are running our training companies or some freelancing activities, we need to have our entrepreneurship mindset very well ready. And for that, the one important concept which we have understood in the entire in my last 7 years of experience is that value concept of value, why you are doing it for whatever you are doing it. And we should be able to understand our past history, why we have been into this business, because that is what drives our future. That is going to be, creating that impression in the society that what benefit you can bring into the ecosystem. During this entire process, I'll be asking you a couple of questions. I'll be asking you a couple of things. You can put it into the chat window. And basis on the request, basis on your answers, I'll be unmuting one of you, and then you can, ask your questions accordingly. And that will be the purpose of it. Now, I'll tell you why we have kind of gathered out here. So as I said, we are developing this entire ecosystem with for a vision, which we are looking at. Let me share my screen as well. We are building this global platform at bringleacademy.com to help discover, nurture, and utilize talent. And this is basically to figure out, and eventually we would want to reach to transform 1 billion lives, 1 million businesses, and 100 unicorns. This is what our core initiatives are. The one initiative which we are running in for the mentors and experts, trainers, mentors, coaches, consultants, any kind of expertise you have, maybe a speaker, maybe an author, or maybe a teacher which you are doing, any kind of expertise which you have, you can leverage that expertise and convert it into a digitized and digitization model and monetize it for the benefit of yours. And this is what we are going to explain that into this model. Post COVID, everything has changed. Everything has changed today. Nobody is able to, whoever business is completely dependent on physical business, they've completely vanished. So with this blended model, we are going to talk about how you can revolutionize or in fact change your business entirely into a billion-dollar industry, whichever business you are in. If you are in education already, then you can utilize your expertise by converting your expertise into a e-learning business model, e-learning recurring income business model. You can leverage your expertise, become an influencer or affiliate to several companies in a specific industry, whichever, be it a finance industry or a real estate industry, or it could be a school industry, school section, or maybe a college section, or maybe some other startup industry. You can utilize your expertise, your mentoring capabilities to basically convert that into becoming an influencer. And that is called educating the customers. And how you can use that. If you're already an entrepreneur and you have a business running, you can utilize this particular expertise by using that to educate your customers, build up a community of customers or an audience, and eventually find out your customers from there for your own product. This is how you will be able to grow your business to a much more different level. We at Bringle also keeps, doing lot of collaborations and community development, by which, we will be able to give you a lot of business opportunities or a lot of, freelancing opportunities, or could be a training opportunities. It could be a, startup incubation opportunities, or could be investment possibilities if you are running a business. So this will be a complete ecosystem which we are building up, and I will share more about it in the coming slides. That what exactly do we do? What are the benefits you will get by being there with Bringle in this ecosystem, and how it can be helped you out in different ways. So if you are looking at only for some kind of a training programs, or you are looking to a platform to promote yourself, will be there for you. If you're looking to upgrade yourself in terms of so that you can scale up your business to a proper business model and reach out to millions of people, that is what you will be getting some trainings. And of course, There'll be various training programs. There'll be various, platform support or promotional support. All those things will be provided at one platform to you. Now, there are four hats which any entrepreneur has to wear, and anybody has to wear while they're running their businesses, which is today, in today's time, it is going to be very, very difficult. And but we have made it, try to make it very, very simple, and a lot of people have already got benefited out of it, and few of them are already part of this session as well, and they can share their experiences. uh, what I am going to talk about is four hats today. One is, your hat is called value. How do you develop the value proposition? The second hat is customer. How do you make sure that you find out the right customer and work on your sales and marketing practices? The third, which I'm going to talk about, is the process. Why process? Digital technologies, why it is so important, and how you can scale it up to a 10x or even more out of that with these modalities. The fourth aspect is the investor hat. This investor hat is very important because most of the experts today, even entrepreneurs, they are not able to survive in the industry because they are not thinking from a finance aspect. They're not thinking from an investor's perspective. They're not thinking from an ROI perspective. They're not running it as a business. They're running it as just as an one-off activity. Because of it, they're not able to grow in the ecosystem. And that is where I'm going to touch a little bit on that, and I'll be sharing various other aspects, how you can start, onboarding on Bringle platform, how you can leverage all of that. And of course, there will be some bit of a training programs I'll be sharing with you, which you can start your journey with. But how that will be benefited, I'll be sharing that little later. But let's go ahead with the flow onto this. So with this, I would like to share one particular video with you before I move forward. And I would want each of you to type into the chat window which type of expert or which stage you are in right now. Okay, so I'm just playing this video for you. Happy Bringling! My name is Anshav Jain. I am founder of Bringle blended learning platform, bringleacademy.com. It took me 4 years, more than 200,000. Anshav Jain. I am founder of Bringle blended learning platform, bringleacademy.com. It took me 4 years, more than $200,000, interviewing 11,000 plus experts across 50 plus countries to build a perfect process and system to monetize and scale up your expertise into a recurring model online education business. Do you want to know more about it? I help trainers, mentors, coaches, and consultants to monetize and scale up their expertise to an online education business. Are you next? Check out Top 100 Mentors Club. There are three types of experts which are there. One, who has yet to identify their niche. Please type in the chat window if you are able to see the screen. I think you're not able to see the screen, in my opinion. Yeah, are you able to see the screen now? It is a video of Top 100 Mentors Club. Okay, Naren. Thank you so much, Naren. Just tell me in the chat window if you're able to hear it as well. I'm putting it again. And they're thinking what can be their niche. They have multiple expertise, but what should be taken up as a club? There are three types of experts which are there. One, who has yet to identify their niche, and they're thinking what can be their niche. They have multiple expertise, but what should be taken up as a business opportunity? Second, who have already identified their niche. They know what is the program they have to conduct, what is the courses they need to set up, but they are not aware how to set it up as a business, how to grow and scale it up as a business. Third, who have already doing some business in their expertise. They probably have some thousands of revenues coming in, but they want to really scale it up to 5x or 10x, and they will require a lot of processes and system support. And depending on that, you will be able to scale that up. Which category you fall in? Are you in category 1, where yet to identify the niche? Category 2, you want to start your business opportunity? Third, you want to scale up your business to 5x or 10x? Type in the comment box and I will help you out how you can grow your business. Okay, so are you able to see that? I am already have clicked on the computer sound. Were you not able to? Okay, so Bharat is putting in as 1. Thanks, Bharat. What about others? So which level you are in right now? So Bharat says one, Anila says transitioning from one to two. Yeah, Anila, so you are definite. Thank you for that. Narendra says one, Hemant says one. Okay. Uh, what about others? Madhu says two. Okay, so you already have something, but you want to scale it up. Okay, Ashish says two. Okay, one to two. Okay, thanks, Ashish. Okay. Finbar, are you there? Geetika? Geetika says one to two. Okay, Finbar is on two. Okay, great. So I think most of the people are at a very early stages of it at this point in time, and I'm going to talk about little bit more, and you will also be able to figure out whether you are really at one or two, and I will tell you what are the ways you can find out whether you are at one or two, and this is where we will be talking about this into more. Now, see, this business is all about wherever you go today, everybody is talking about that your why has to be very, very strong. Whether it is Simon Sinek or, Simon Sinek book, if everybody has, read that book, this why is going to be very, very important. Wherein, I'll just see if I can play that video for all of you, that why we always talk about the why part of it. Okay, so see, whenever we are into our businesses, everybody is looking at whatever you are doing, there must be a reason behind it. And that reason has to be identified very clearly. We have to figure out that what are the benefits which we can look at, why we are getting into it. For us, the big why is something which we started our journey almost 4 years ago, when we realized that 50% of the students are not able to even complete their college education. The K-12 industry, the school industry is struggling badly. There is a complete mismatch in terms of the corporates, wherein 80% of the employee turnover is due to the bad hiring decision itself. 40% of the people are lacking in income generation and going through a career switch or restart or a midlife crisis. 97% of startups or the businesses gets closed down within 3 years, and that is going to be a big problem with respect to their mindset and skill sets. And you require the entire holistic skills development ecosystem to manage that perspective. Similar segment is goes for the persons with disabilities. 75% of the children with disabilities today are unable to even complete their educations, and employment is very, very rare, in especially with the person with disabilities. So that's where we decided to build up an entire ecosystem with a technology platform, with the concept of the content on 2D, 3D, augmented reality, virtual reality content in terms of simulation, gamification, and having a aspect of the mentors. These mentors should be the large set of people who have different variety of expertise, and that is where we started our initiative of top 100 mentors club 2 years ago. That is where you are part of this, and today we are having more than 35,000 plus experts who are spread across 50 plus countries. We have done multiple series with them, and we have been very fortunate to, and we have been very much loved by all these mentors who have given so much contribution to the towards the society. So this is why we are building this up entire aspect or this ecosystem around that, so that we can reach out to maximum people through the digital technology platforms. And mentors have to focus more on mentoring, and they should be able to close their, they should be able to create value in the ecosystem. Okay, Hemant, you are saying the screen is blurred. Is that problem being faced by everybody? Because in that case, it might be an internet issue at your end, Hemant. Can somebody confirm that? If Okay, so Narendra and Ashish says it's clear. Thank you so much, Madhu, as well. Hemant, just check out your, your internet connection, please. Maybe it is problem at your end. Thank you so much, everybody. Now, this is where we started our journey 4 years ago, and I will talk about our journey in the coming time, in the coming slides as well. Now, what I want to know is whoever is moving ahead from this, it's going to be a massive work. It's going to be really an important journey towards taking this dream wave to the across the globe. We are running an initiative called Bringle Dream Wave. So type Bringle Dream Wave in the chat box if you are ready to take up this journey along with us and ready to transform 1 billion lives, 1 million businesses, and eventually 100 unicorns. So I'm looking for your answers. Put type in the chat window Bringle or Dream Wave. Madhu says Bringle. Okay, Bharat. Thanks, Bharat. Thanks, Narendra. I'm happy to see a lot of my, already the people, the transformationist team people out here. Thank you so much for joining. Uh, Anila, everybody says Bringle Dreamwave. Thank you so much. And this is where we started our journey. This is where we filed the patent almost 3 years ago, wherein there are three-step process in this entire skills crisis problem which we are facing today. The first aspect is we should be knowing about our core skill sets, and I'll tell you this story, in the form of a story a little bit out here. uh, the first, you know we all have gone through this journey. So the as a child is born, as soon as the child is born, we have been always told that, probably you'll become an engineer or a doctor. We all our parents, even us, for our children, we have some dreams that I will make my my child to a businessman. I'll make my child to a particular engineer, or I will put him into army or whatever is that. Now all those dreams are there for the by the parents for the children. Now these children, they start growing it, and they start growing and they go into various levels of education. They go into first standard, second standard, pre-primary, pre-primary, secondary. And once the secondary gets completed, they need to take up a decision whether they go for a science stream or a commerce stream or an art stream. And that's one of the biggest challenge onto it. Most of the times, what happens is that you get that, you take that science stream because probably you have good marks. But I'll tell you a story. My both of my brothers, they themselves have struggled really badly. They have one of my younger brother. He has taken science because I took science, and he within 6 months he realized that he's not been able to survive in the science, and he changed it to the commerce. Fortunately, because we could get that change by talking to the principal, and there was a year which was saved for him. And right now he is doing perfectly well. He has been a rank holder in being a as a chartered accountant. He is working in a global MNC in a bank. He is working as an assistant vice president. He's earning good amount of money, and he is very, very happy into that. The second brother of mine, he actually completed science till 12th, but after 12th he moved into economics honors and statistics, and now he's also working in a market research company, and actually he's working with American Express Bank right now. So the point what I'm trying to say is that this is where you have a journey where you don't know what you need to do. You actually end up doing something which you are not liking for. And there are few people who are fortunate, like my brothers, who could identify their journeys little early in the career. But there are people who move ahead their journey and they go to the particular, they keep their going for their college education. And once they clear their college education, they will actually go into jobs, or maybe any kind of job they would want to go through it. And when they go to the corporate job, frankly speaking, the first 5 years are very, very difficult. The first 5 years, you keep on thinking whether this is really my job, this is really what I wanted to do, this is what I should be moving forward. And once you move forward, by the time it is complete, you complete 5 years, you are stuck within a particular role, which you will not be able to change. And now another 10-15 years, you continue doing that job before you reach to an age of 40-45, and you start feeling, am I doing the right thing which I'm supposed to do? How many of you have this kind of an experience in your life at these two stages? So this is the second stage of life, which is called as midlife crisis. The third aspect, which comes in as soon as you move away, and when you come to this midlife crisis, not many people have the opportunity to leave their corporate career or their existing businesses and start something new, because they have so many responsibilities, they have so many liabilities, and then they continue their life like that, expecting that their children, they will be able to help and do it better for their children. And that is why they dream and aspire that my child will become an engineer because I could not become in. I wanted to become a doctor and I could not be there. I will make my daughter or a son a doctor. without realizing that you are doing the same mistake what your parents did. Somehow you survive, you move ahead, you complete your corporate career or your your business or whatever the career you have been into, and then you reach to a stage where you have lot of expertise, lot of education, lot of experience, but and you want to give it back to the society. You want to add value to the ecosystem so that whatever you have learned can be given it back to the ecosystem, and can you can make up a name into the society for yourself. And there, that's where the people are there, where they're struggling for their restart crisis. There are people who are looking for some kind of, there are in this there is a restart crisis. There are one more set of people are there who are women, and they are the most affected and most unfortunate ones at this point in time, because they have to leave their corporate career for their families. And when they actually try to start their career, after a period of time, they're not accepted within the corporate career. And even if they're accepted, probably at a much lower cost or lower value which they can provide to the organization. And when they try to do something of their own, they don't get support because they still have to manage their homes. So it becomes very, very difficult for those women as well. And that is where this entire ecosystem is kind of getting flawed. So that's where we thought of creating an ecosystem, creating a platform wherein as soon as a child is born, you can, born is probably too early, but some, as soon as a child reaches to 65 years, 6 years of age, when the child starts its, his or her education journey, which is with the pre-primary aspect, we understand their skill sets, talents, capabilities, learning behavior, what are their psychological aspects, what career option they should be choosing for. And for that, we develop certain platform, which we call it as skills profiling platforms. That is the first stage of it. Then you go to the second stage, wherein you actually develop them, find out the right career option, and you see what things they need to be ready for that particular career option. There could be 2, 3, 4 career options which could be coming best for that particular child as per their talents and learning behavior. And basis on that, you do the holistic skills development with respect to their domain, hard skills, life skills, soft skills, and put together, making them fully prepared for the job roles which they should be doing it in future. And this goes on till the 10th standard, 12th standard, and eventually for their when they start going to the college life as well. So the idea here is, by the time your child reaches to 10th grade, they are very, very clear that what kind of uh, uh, career option they should be choosing on, what is their dream career, what is the job role they are going to do that in the future. If they are looking for entrepreneurship, that they should every individual should be having an entrepreneurial mindset. So we are building up that aspect of entrepreneurship right from an early age as well, and we'll talk about that. And then the third stage comes in. Once you're ready for the employment or entrepreneurship, you will be given that opportunity of an ecosystem of an employment as well as the entrepreneurship into that, so that you can grow your journey to an entirely different level. And that's where we are talking about realigning the entire ecosystem and finding the right people with the right skills at the right place. This is what we wanted to do, and we have kind of been doing that. Now, I want to know from all of you, which stage you are in right now, which stage you have felt you are the most difficult scenario right now. Are you feeling that you can help people in the restart, in the let's say starting crisis? Are you in the starting crisis? Are you into midlife crisis? Or are you in the restart crisis? So which crisis you are in, please type it into the chat window. Okay, so Narendra, what we need to do is, are we into, we are just starting our career, जहाँ पे अभी हमें पता नहीं है कि क्या करना है. We are into early stages of life. The second is, are we into the stage where we have done something but we want to reach, maybe we, some experience हमारे पास है लेकिन हमको कुछ नया start करना है, वो है midlife crisis. और थर्ड क्राइसिस इज, आपने जिंदगी में एक अच्छा कुछ हासिल कर चुके हो, बट नाउ यू वांट टू रीस्टार्ट समथिंग इन योर लाइफ. सो विच स्टेज यू आर इन राइट नाउ इज व्हाट यू नीड टू राइट इन. आर यू इनटू स्टार्टिंग क्राइसिस, मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस और रीस्टार्ट क्राइसिस? Okay, so I see most of the people are in midlife. Finbar says start and restart. Okay, so Finbar, that's pretty interesting. What do you mean by start and restart? Why do you say that? Hemant says restart crisis. Okay. She says start to mid, start and restart, restart, midlife, midlife crisis. Okay, most of you looks like to be in a midlife crisis here, and so I will talk about that accordingly. I'll keep that into my mind. Okay, so before I move forward, I would want you to go through this 2 minutes video, which is our, which is Bringle Academy's concept out here. Are you living your childhood dream? How many of you are in a career that you dreamt of? Does your job match your qualifications, degrees, or skills? As a child, you had dreams. You wanted to be a champion at whatever career you dreamt for yourself, but you didn't know how to pursue them, mainly due to lack of available guidance or a platform that could nurture you to realize your dream career. And as you went on studying, what came your way, those dreams faded away. It is not just the job seeker who lacks career guidance, resulting into high learning curve, but even the corporate world is beaten by the mismatch of supply and demand of employees as they struggle to find suitably skilled candidates. We have developed a system which can identify inborn skills of an individual at any stage, upskill them, and place them accordingly, which means the right man at the right job. As a result, a realignment that would benefit the whole system. An idea can lead to a transformational change. And we at Bringle Academy have such transforming ideas and are ready to execute with extremely great quality content, advanced technologies like artificial and emotional intelligence, big data analytics, and robotics. If you are looking to make best use of resources, then there would be no better place than Bringle Academy. So this is what a little 2 minute video I thought I'll share with all of you. And just a moment. Okay, so this is what I was talking about: starting crisis, midlife crisis, and restart crisis. Now, these are the four programs which we have, four categories we have created out of the entire ecosystem of 7.6 billion human population. So the one aspect is the MBA for kids, which is MBA stands for Masters Beyond Academics, which is basically for the K1-2, which is grade 1 to grade 12 students, wherein we are developing a complete holistic skills development ecosystem with an entrepreneurial concept or built up onto that. So we focus on 5 questions with them. One is the intelligent question, their IQ, their okay. So Shilpi, I mean, why are you saying please pardon MBA? I don't understand. Okay. So the MBA stands for Masters Beyond Academics. Okay, so the idea here is that currently the school ecosystem is only focusing on the academics part of it. There might be some schools who are focusing some 20%, maximum 20% on some beyond academics curriculum. But the idea here in MBA for Kids is that we focus on equal questions everywhere. So there will be a 20% focus on intelligence question. There will be 20% focus on emotional question, then creative question, financial question, and your creativity. So there are 5 questions which we focus on that. The mindfulness question is the another one, so that you have a more holistic developed approach. Similar approach, we take it up into a campus to corporate program where we align with the digital platform and the content and the various experts into that. The third ecosystem is the Design Your Unicorn ecosystem for entrepreneurs, where we help them to sustain, adapt, and scale up their businesses model to grow their businesses eventually from an idea to a unicorn level. And the Restart Your Career is the specific program which we do it for women, person with disabilities, and midlife crisis individuals. But yes, that is where the different concepts comes in. So for professionals, we run this concept as Top 100 Mentors Club, which kind of looks at and which cut across all these 3 other segments. For women also, they can part of that initiative. And the person with disabilities, we have an initiative called Vardhan for You, wherein which is run by our co-founder Sharmila Divatia, and she takes care of the entire segment of person with disabilities out there. Now, this is what the concept of MBA for Kids. I'll just brush through it. For that, we have the complete school plus after. I mean, it's an after school program which basically is being run virtually. Through initially we were trying to run it through the institute to the daycares or maybe school premises, or maybe anybody who is running a train tuition centers or something. But now this is entirely thing is which we are building it up on the platform, and this can be taken up as a franchisee model as well, and you can grow your business. It has a very small cost of, so if anybody is interested, you can reach out to us and we can tell you more details around that. And you can actually have a good income potential by starting up a virtual school of yourself without any major investment. And the best part is you can start it from right away. So this is where you will be able to grow, make your virtual school, and once the lockdown will be over, you can have a blended model into it by running your own, bringing in more and more centers where others would be managing it, and your investment would be a very limited to a virtual environment into that. So it's a different model which we can discuss it out on that. The Campus to Corporate program focuses on skills profiling, career counseling, and job assistance. Right now, we are working with an organization called Lead India. It's a US-based organization, and it was actually set up by Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad. Dr. Hari Apnapalli currently is the founder chairman of that organization, and we are working with them with around 350 plus global universities. And these 350 plus global universities, right now we have got some signed up an agreement with 2 universities, which has 3 lakh plus 300,000 plus students right now in different, they're basically engineers in these universities, but there could be coming in some doctors and some other normal other universities as well. So these are the kind of aspects where we are looking for trainers and experts to develop the content, work with us to create an entire framework for entrepreneurship, for employment, for education. I mean, any kind of educational framework as well. But it is going to be more holistic development framework, wherein we will require thousands of experts into this, which we will be actually working with them, who will be creating the content into that platform, and eventually be guiding these students to eventually go through that process of entirely from skills profiling to holistic skills development to job assistance model. And we'll be creating an ecosystem of the corporates where they will be getting internships, jobs, and at one side we'll be developing them, giving them the education, and the third side we will be working with them on the entrepreneurship skills. So that is where the entire aspect of 3E methodology, which is education, employment, and entrepreneurship, will be focused over there. We are just into the final stages of that. So probably by next week onwards, we'll start onboarding mentors into that community, and we'll start interviewing them to take up to the next level, because there is a complete different entity. So we'll be giving them opportunities onto that. We are also planning to start up an entire show on the social media on Bringle platform, so that you can get more and more visibility around that, and that can be leveraged out for your capabilities showcase for our customers, our platform as well, and maybe you can generate other customers as well for yourself. Design Your Unicorn is, as I said, it's a complete startup and entrepreneurship business model wherein we focus from your, developing, helping you on all the 4 stages of the business, right from your value proposition or creating a business model, eventually helping you in sales and marketing, then helping you with processes, right processes and system setup, and finally having your financial model ready so that you can reach out to the investors for investment part of it, because then only you will be able to scale it up to $1 billion enterprise. So we support on all these aspects with this same framework in different segments. We are having this same concept for for the children from 8 to 14 years of age, 8 to 16 years of old age group. We have it from 16 to 25, then we have 25 to 35, then 35 to above, and so on and so forth. So this is how we have segmented them into wide different things, and everybody different experts are there who will be leading this initiative for that particular target audience. Restart Your Career is an opportunity where we are working with people to either to create your own training programs, work as an affiliate, work as an influencer, or developing an education system for some other businesses. So this is how you will be able to generate a lot of money using your existing expertise and create a business model for yourself. So this is where our Bringle blended learning platform is all about, wherein typically, this is what has 3 components into this. One is your one-on-one mentoring and connect platform, wherein you can connect with them on a one-on-one basis. You will have a self-paced courses or certification modules like LMS and gamification or virtual labs, and also the live classes, wherein you can have online or offline or a blended model kind of programs. And this is what you will be able to onboard that, and will be supporting you how to use that blended learning models eventually with us, and how you can start your journey as a Top 100 Mentors Club VIP community. So this is where we will be looking at and supporting you on that, and what support you will be getting in is what we'll be talking about in this module. Now, as I said, we are looking to touch billion lives. Whoever is there with us, whoever there is right now ready to take this journey with us, type billion in the chat window. Thanks, Hemant. Okay, thanks, Shilpi. Thanks, Ashish. Okay, I just want to ask everybody is everybody comfortable with Hindi if I'll use Hindi and English in between? Thanks, Madhu. Thanks, Anila. Yes, Bharat. Okay, thanks, Madhu. Thank you so much. Thanks, Narendra. Okay, great. So I'll use a little bit of Hindi as well in between, because there could be some participants who might want to be hearing this in Hindi. Now, this whole initiative is not going to be easy for us. It's not, as I said, it's a billion people lives. We have just signed up a contract for people with a 300,000 students, and we ourselves have been reached out to 1 million students till now. In the last 2 years, we've been trying to do that. And if you see from that perspective, we have currently is around 1.4, 1.3, 1.4 million learners community, or the lives we have touched in. We want to take it to a billion member community. Now, this is not going to be easy. So we will require experts, thought leaders like you. That is why we are developing this concept of Top 100 Mentors Club and building up a concept of entrepreneurship in all these mentors. See, one of the biggest challenge which I have seen in all the experts today, all the trainers, coaches, consultants, they're still running it with an employee mindset. They still think, मुझे 2 पैसा दे दो, मैं काम कर दूंगा. But that is not, you cannot grow this business to, you cannot reach to many people with that attitude, with that mindset. And that is why we do not want people who are coming in to this community with an employee mindset. This is the only criteria we need, that you should be there in part of our ecosystem. We cannot work with everybody. We are going to work with those 100 mentors who will be eventually building up their own unicorn, a $1 billion enterprise in their own expertise. Everybody is an expert today, but we are looking only for those 100 experts who will eventually build 100 unicorns. I mean, each one unicorn each. Who is ready to, take this up as an entrepreneurial journey rather than a pay, only a pay based journey. Please type it into the chat window. आप में से कौन कौन इस जर्नी को entrepreneurship mindset के साथ ले जाने के लिए तैयार है rather than an employee mindset? Right? Type in entrepreneur in the chat window. Narendra says myself. Okay, thanks Narendra. Thanks Hemant. Shilpi, thanks. Meenal, Narendra, thank you so much. See, this journey is not going to be easy. And I'll tell you this, recently I was hearing this statement from, Mukesh Ambani. I was hearing that interview of his. And people asked him that, that interview, the host, I was asking that question to him. He said, Mr. Ambani, ऐसा क्या डिफरेंस है आपकी लाइफ में जो आप फ्यूचर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को एक बात बताना चाहते हो कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन एम्प्लॉय एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड व्हाई इट इज सो इंपॉर्टेंट एंड व्हाई ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, इवन लार्ज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, you won't believe, I was into an IIM Ahmedabad review recently with one of my cohort startup. One of the mentor have actually started the startup, and in that startup, that professor said that you hire a person in your company if that employee is ready to have an entrepreneurial mindset. अगर वो बंदा सिर्फ पैसे के लिए आपके साथ आ रहा है, सिर्फ उसको जॉब चाहिए और बाकी उसको कोई मतलब नहीं है, उसको आपके बिजनेस आइडिया में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, वो आपके पास सिर्फ इसलिए आ रहा है कि उसको 4 पैसे मिल जाएंगे, तो वो बंदा आपके कंपनी को कभी ग्रो करने के लिए हेल्प नहीं कर सकता. आज की डेट में आप सब ने कॉर्पोरेट्स में या कहीं ना कहीं अपने बिजनेस में कुछ ना कुछ कहीं पे एम्प्लॉइज को देखा होगा, और ये एक प्रॉब्लम सबसे ज्यादा यू वुड हैव फेस्ड कि एम्प्लॉइज जो है वो सिर्फ अपनी सैलरी के लिए काम करते हैं. यस और नो? मुकेश अंबानी ने इस चीज का जवाब दिया और वो डिफरेंस बताता हूं आज मैं. आई टेल यू द डिफरेंस, व्हाट इज दैट बिटवीन अ बिजनेस ओनर or an employee and entrepreneur. What is the mindset difference? The mindset difference is, कभी भी कुछ दिक्कत आएगी बिजनेस में, कभी भी कुछ दिक्कत आएगी बिजनेस में, एम्प्लॉय सबसे पहले भाग खड़ा होगा और एम्प्लॉय बोलेगा मैं क्या करूं मुझे बताओ. लेकिन जो एंटरप्रेन्योर होता है, he will somehow get it done. He will figure out how to resolve that problem. That is the major difference of a mindset. So write this down. Entrepreneur is one who will figure out how it needs to be done. Entrepreneur is one who will figure out how it needs to be done. वो ये नहीं बोलता कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो है. वो किसी ना कोई सोल्यूशन निकाल के उस काम को कर लेगा. प्रॉब्लम्स तो आएंगी, दिक्कतें बहुत सारी आएंगी, लेकिन अगर आपका एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप माइंडसेट नहीं है, then it has no worth. And we do not want people like that. This is a huge initiative. This is a global initiative and cannot be run. हर बात के लिए अगर आप, if you reach out to us for small things, then it will not work. Each of you has to reach at least 100,000 people. एक लाख लोगों की जिंदगी आपको चेंज करनी है कम से कम, और उसके लिए आप छोटे बच्चे की तरह या एक एम्प्लॉय की तरह बार बार आ नहीं सकते कि यार ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. You'll have to find out a solution yourself. And that is why you need to be ready for that. You need to understand, you need to clear your value proposition. You need to be very clear of your focus area. And then only it is possible. This is why I started my presentation with why. Why are we doing it? Because that motivates us. हमारी जिंदगी में भी बहुत challenges आते हैं. We also feel lot of challenges. Every day we find challenges. Every day customers comes back and say, no, this is a problem. Every day people, mentors comes to me and says that, Anshav, I need this. I have handling 35,000 plus experts. Around more than 5,000 entrepreneurs we have worked with. Almost 40,000 people we have been attached, related with in one way or the other. If I keep solving their problems, then I will go mad. So that is why entrepreneurship mindset is very, very important. और इसीलिए बहुत सारे लोगों को आपने देखा होगा, we don't do it free. Because the first concept of people to understand and keep in their mind is that they have to take out their free mindset. There is no value of free things. ना फ्री चीज देनी चाहिए, ना फ्री चीज लेनी चाहिए. अगर आपको कोई फ्री चीज मिल रही है तो आप यूज भी नहीं करोगे. आप खुद ही देख लो. I have sent this link to 10,000 people. Sorry, not around 1,000 people also. And only 11 are there, including me. Free things have no value. While the participation in our paid group will be more than 60 to 70%. That's the value of, that is why free things have no value. So this is what the major problem areas we have seen. Sales and marketing, technology is the major issues for experts, entrepreneurs, and we support them in all of that. Rest is how to do the business is a very small aspect of it, which is only 6%. But that also we support them and handhold over there. This is a blended meetups concept, which is basically small office, home office concept where you can work out through this platform. We have an online blended university wherein you can reduce your administrative efforts by more than 80% and cost by more than 20%. It will increase your automation percentage to 89 and above, and eventually get you financial freedom, which you can get in only through a recurring income business model. And that is where we will be working on that with serious entrepreneurs. This is our journey, which we had been there. So I think before I move forward, I would want each of you to, share your experience, share your questions if you have any. I'll take a pause out here, and please feel free to ask your questions out here. Put it in the chat window or unmute yourself. I'll just give you the access. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and talk if you have any questions. No questions? Madhu, Meenal, Shilpi. Okay. Okay, so looks like there are no questions, no problems. Hemant, do you have any question? Okay.
Not for the present.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. Now, I'll just move forward a little bit from here. I'll now share a little bit about Bringle, about our journey, about ourselves, why we are doing this, and how had been our journey into this. So in 2015, when people are now talking about webinars and Zoom meetings and all that, today, after the COVID, we have been running these things since 2015. We have set up our offline training business. In 18 months, we could set up it to 20 plus centers, train 30,000 plus students. Of course, it was a very local business, Mumbai and around business. And I had a 40 plus member team. I had a CEO who was operating my company. Before I realized it early on in 2017 that this business is going to go over, it will not work out because the way industry was changing to e-learning, it was very rapid. And that's where I researched about this entire concept of three-stage process of skills profiling to holistic skills development to job assistance and filed a patent. And basis on that patent, after that I closed down all my centers because मेरे को समझ में आ गया कि ये बिजनेस अभी नहीं चलने वाला है. सारे बिजनेसेस, सारे सेंटर्स को बंद किया. And then I developed a complete platform, virtual skills development center platform, जो आज आप bringleacademy.com पे देखते हो, wherein we are looking to nurture everybody at 8 different target segments. And since then, we have taken our mentors base from 100 plus to 35 to 40,000 at this point in time. From 30,000 students to 1 million plus students today. And now with this new associations, it may reach to maybe 10 million or more very, very soon. That is how we have grown this platform. And we are only 3 people right now working on this. This is the benefit of bringing it to a blended learning model. We are now employing 2 or 3 more people, but we don't need too many people right now. We have practically no offices today. We are only working either through co-working spaces or through working from home, virtual work. For us, COVID has no impact on our business. And in this last 6, 7 months, 9 months, we have helped doctors, we have helped nutritionists, we have helped your travel agents, event companies, all these manufacturing companies whose businesses got shut down. We have helped them to recover their business, and now they're doing much better business today with this blended model approach, with this kind of a platform. This thing which we did way back in 2017 or 18, now we are replicating this with other industries as well, apart from education industry. And now we are looking at a global outreach, and that is where we are having in 2020, we have been able to reach to 141 plus countries today with our various different series of programs. So this is what the kind of aspects or the growth you can get in when it comes to the blended learning. We have been awarded as top 3,000 startups within North America and India as per IIM Calcutta and Department of Technology, Government of India. We have been felicitated as top 10 startups by Millennium Divas, whose co-founder is Shalini Sarkar, who is advisor to Maharashtra government. And they have been doing that. Then we have been, our we have run since a challenge called 21 Days Business Sustainability Challenge, which was watched by 5,000 plus entrepreneurs in those 21 days. These are the ones who we were tracking at that point in time, and entire Pearls of Wisdom was being published, or basically broadcasted by Radio Masti 24 by 7 Singapore, and Fever 104 FM Bangalore has felicitated us as super startup in their weekly show. So this is what we have. We are an awarded company. We have been awarded 3 years back for the Skill Development Program Institute Award. We have got we have got featured in various magazines, or Sunday Guardian and other TOI and everything as well. We have also been selected for the second round of National Entrepreneurship Award by Ministry of Skills Development and Entrepreneurship. So various aspects which we are doing in right now. I am part of the trust. I am part of various boards into WASME group, like World Association of Small and Medium Enterprises. I am a joint secretary of DCE DTU fraternity. We are part of CI MSME organization. So there are various associations we have developed. Now this Lead India, which is now coming in. So there are so many associations we have done it in the last couple of years, because of which we have grown this ecosystem to the large level. So running this ecosystem requires people with an entrepreneurship mindset. Otherwise, we'll not be able to manage this. Now, I am going to talk about why it is so important for you to create a value and how do you create a value. So the first aspect which you should be looking at and creating your micro niche, that are you into a business growth, career growth, health and wellness, make money, affiliate or influencer marketing, or a relationships, or a art and crafts. So which one is your micro niche in your area? Please type it into the chat window. Are you into business growth? Are you into career growth? Are you into health and wellness? Or you're supporting for influencer marketing or affiliate marketing? Or are you training on expert in relationships? Or are you expert in some art and crafts? Type it in the chat window for yourself. What is your expertise? इन 6 में से कौन सी आपकी expertise है? Please type it into the chat window. This is where we are going to create a value proposition model. So Anila says career growth. Yes. Hemant, okay. Business growth. Okay. Okay. So it's career growth and business growth. Finbar says goal setting. Okay, so goal setting comes in career growth, Finbar. So you are actually going one level down onto that, which is pretty good, really good. And see, what you need to do is whenever you create your unique value proposition, you need to identify your micro niche. One of the biggest challenge which most of the experts or entrepreneurs today does, they try to do everything. Okay, so Madhu says business growth and art and craft. See, you will not be able to do everything at one time. So pick up one aspect which you are so great at that nobody else can do better than you. Which is that one area which you have been living, eating, dreaming, everything about that. Type in the chat window, ऐसा कौन सी चीज है जो आप सुबह शाम करते हो और सोचते हो उसके बारे में, और वो आपकी जिंदगी है, और उसमें आपसे अच्छा और कोई नहीं है, which you are so confident at. Type it into the chat window. क्या आपकी एक ऐसी expertise है which is so great and so good about you? So Finbar, you says goal setting. Can you further drive that into a next level, maybe a further level into goal setting? What kind of goal setting? Oh, so Hemant says sales. Very good. Yes, Dr. Ashish, you're saying therapy. Great. Art and craft. Madhu says art and craft. So creativity is your expertise, Madhu. Okay, great. Creativity is one of the aspect. And okay, now second thing which you need to do is validate your customers or narrow down your target audience. Now आपने ये identify कर लिया कि आपके पास कौन सा माइक्रो निश है, किस एरिया में आप जा रहे हो, बट नाउ यू नीड टू नो किस टारगेट सेगमेंट के ऊपर आप वो रन करोगे. नाउ दिस टारगेट सेगमेंट, डिफाइन इट फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव व्हाट इज दैट यू हैड बीन doing with what kind of people. See, remember one thing, your best customer will be exactly like you. Your best customer will be exactly like you, which means that uska age group, uska passion, uske needs, the potential, I mean, whatever they want is all would be exactly matching your problem areas. What is that target segment? Which is that target segment who will be able to connect with you? Who will be able to, whose target, whose problem areas you will be knowing very much for you. I mean, as far as you are concerned. So within creativity also, which target segment, Madhu, you can target the which are the audience, which is the audience you can target? Hemant, if you're saying sales, are you good in B2B sales? Are you good in one-to-one sales? Are you good in webinar sales? What kind of sales you are good at? You should look at that, and which audience you are looking at. Is it a particular manufacturing industry or a school industry or maybe some other industry? Type in into the chat window which industry you can work in. What is your target audience? Okay. So if you are not getting this point, what I'll be doing is I'll be sending you, okay, so you are coming up with this. Let's wait for this. Okay, so Anila says mid-level manager responsible for delivery, 30 to 40 years. Very good. In any industry which requires interaction with people from different cultural origin. Oh, wow. So are you saying, Anila, that the people who are having a multi-global companies and they need to interact with them, and how they can make sure that the delivery happens much better, is where you can have the good cultural balance out there? Is it a multi-locational kind of a multi-country kind of businesses? Okay. Yes, cross-cultural sensitization. Okay, thanks, Anila. And Finber says goal setting for students and entrepreneurs. Okay, very good. Students and entrepreneurs. Now, students and entrepreneurs are two different categories, audience. If you have to pick up one, Finber, which one will you pick? Student or entrepreneur? Or it could be students who are trying to become an entrepreneur. It could be that as well. Okay, so Madhu says creativity in teaching activities, making teaching learning material. Wow, that's important. Okay, and using waste material. Okay, so now these teaching activities, who is your audience? This is a product which you are saying. Who is your audience? Is that the teachers are your audience? Is your target audience, Madhu?
Parents and students.
Parents and students. Okay, so basically you are trying to create an activity which can be done by a parent and children together. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
And using a waste material.
Yes.
It's a very important aspect which you're trying to do. It can become a very good environmental aspect and creative part of it. Great.
Yes.
Very nice. So, Bharat, you're saying breakthrough coach. Okay, so Finbar is also putting in something. Okay. So Finbar, are you saying yes to my point of students trying to become an entrepreneur? Is that Is that your understanding by writing a yes? Okay. Thanks, Finbar. Okay, so Bharat says breakthrough coach people looking for own self. Bharat, I think yes, you are right. Bharat, breakthrough coach is your segment. I know your expertise. So your expertise should be more clear on family businesses for second generation entrepreneurs. who are into their father's business or their parental business, and they're trying to create their own self. Probably that is your segment. And I assume that most of the age group people, those kind of people would be somewhere between 35 to 50 or maybe 40 to 50. Am I right, Bharat? Yeah, thanks, Bharat. Uh, Dr. Ashish says entrepreneurs mindset change via psychotherapy. Dr. Ashish, you are going to be a category king. Believe me, you are taking up a wonderful initiative. Please do that. Please keep working on that, and will be working with you any which ways on that. नरेंद्र, आप कौन से सेगमेंट में काम कर रहे हो? Have you decided? Okay. Now, the third thing which you should be doing is develop a webinar. Don't even talk about product right now. A chota product which you can sell it to them in a webinar is you should be talking about that and create that product. Once you do that, test it with your customer. Are they ready to pay? Create a small product which could be anywhere from 99 to 999, and try to sell that and slowly increase the pricing to see till what level customers are ready to pay for that. That you should be doing as a testing. The first thing as an entrepreneur. See, the most important thing for an entrepreneur would be to test whether customers are ready to pay for the product you're developing. So that is the first thing which you should all be doing into that. Now, another step would be that how you will be creating your expert impression system on the social media. What can you be doing? How you can generate your lead magnets? How do you create yourself as a brand on the social media? And then eventually you will have the step-by-step process from marketing to sales to delivery. I'm not going through in the details of it because that will be covered in the workshop, which I'm going to share with you in the coming time, in the next slides. That what is that you will be, this all things will get covered. You will be going through a 5-day structured process, and you will be taking that up into a step-by-step process into that. What I will be covering into that as a process into this. All of you will be going through that structure and that program, and will be working with you to convert your entire expertise into a more monetizable business opportunity, and that you can grow it to a very good scalable business model. Now, whether you want to keep it as a freelancer or a self-employed, that is your call, but you should eventually be looking at converting it into a business model, which you can scale it up and add a lot of value. Because when you have to reach out to 100,000 people, 1 लाख लोगों के पास जब आपको पहुंचना है, you cannot work without systems. You cannot work without seeing that you will keep doing it on your own. You'll have to hire people. You will need a team. You will need technology. You will need process. All that we will explain to you in this 5 days process. Now, I thought I'll just share this little feedback about the platform. When you achieve a dream out of your heart, and I think I just thought I'll just share this video with all of you. What is holistic skills development? And founder and managing partner of Bringle Excellence LLP. This company has launched Bringle Academy, which is revolutionizing the technology using artificial intelligence, gamification, high-end analytics to bring in platforms to develop skills of different individuals. Bringle, it's a coined word which gives you a tingling sensation in your mind, in your brain, which comes out of any learning opportunity, your fulfilling dreams. When you achieve a dream out of your hard work, out of your executional capabilities, and then you get that feeling inside your brain. That's Bringle. And hence, Bringle brings you skill development programs to help you achieve your dreams. We have programs right from pre-primary, secondary, senior secondary, freshers, job-seeking individuals, corporate individuals, management development programs, and even for housewives and senior citizens. Now our trainer will explain to you what this training will cover for you. According to Dr. Albert Einstein, everyone is a genius. But if you judge a fish on its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing it is stupid. We urge you to understand that everyone has a different ability or particular talent. Often, comparing yourself to someone else's abilities might mean overlooking what it is you are naturally more suited towards doing. We should remind ourselves a saying which is very well known, कौवा चला हंस की चाल और अपनी चाल भूल गया. This is exactly what we are trying to do, identifying skill spot using our skills meter programs and provide the right skill development programs as per the individual requirements. There are three types of human skills. One of them is hard skill, catering to your technical knowledge. Soft skills are delivering capabilities. Life skills are leadership and collaboration. Merger of all three human skills creates a pyramid and creates skill spot for you. Pyramids are the strongest structures. This skill spot is the source of energy or skills for you which can provide 80% of your success. This is as per the Pareto's principle, which helps you to develop your skill spot and get the maximum success rate in your lifespan. Bringle Academy has a tool called Skills Meter, which helps to identify that skill spot, and ultimately skill development programs can be enrolled. We would now understand how this skill spot will get energized and give you the best success rate based on our mentoring programs. It also creates a pyramid, and three corners of those pyramids are right curriculum, the right technology, and analytics. So I'll take a little pause here before moving forward. If you have any questions, please type it into the chat window. And okay, so seems like none. So see, this is our kind of global reach at this point in time. I thought I'll just share that with you. I'm just moving forward because the time is almost over, so we will not be able to take this forward. But I'll share this, little testimonials. I'll share a little bit about myself. About I've been into corporate industry, and we are two co-founders, me, myself, and Sharmila, and Anil and Sudha are our investors. Uh, I've been into a corporate for last 18 plus years and have a good job and a well-paying job. But I had a problem of job loss, and because of which I started this journey of building up entrepreneurship mindset into people, because I struggled a lot in the last 7 failed businesses. So I thought of developing this business and focusing on entrepreneurial mindset, be it the experts or anybody. And that is why I'm completely focusing on an entrepreneurial mindset today, because even an entrepreneur, or I would say a business owner, also are working as an employees today with their employee mindset. And even people can work as an employee with an entrepreneurial mindset. So it works, helps you out to develop, identify your value proposition clearly out there, and that will be able to help you out either in employment or entrepreneurship. Sharmila has been working into the government sector for quite some time, and that is where her experience goes in. We'll talk about it more during our 5 days program, and you can anyways go through it on the website. Now, this is what we come to the end of the workshop. For the session today, anybody who would want to kind of leave it from here, you can leave the session, because here onwards I'm going to talk about how you can complete those 5 days process and what will be the kind of prices which you can take it up, and when what are the benefits you can get into that. So if you're willing to continue from here, please stay ahead. Otherwise you can leave the session, we'll start your onboarding onto the platform in terms of your, any kind of show which you can plan it out. You will be, you'll be sent out a form for our Titan Award. Whatever the work you've been already doing, we'll want to, take up that, we'll want to kind of recognize you for the same. And any kind of, if you are getting selected for any, basis on that form filling, will be taking you towards our other initiatives or other programs as well. But from here onwards, I'll be taking this, presentation towards explaining you how you will be taking forward for a journey towards establishing your own business into your, from your expertise, or I would say digitizing and monetizing your expertise. So thank you so much for listening to this. And I would like to know from you, if you want to go ahead from here further from this and want to know what does that 5 days workshop will entail for you, please type it into the chat window and let me know if I should move forward. Thank you so much, Ashish, for saying that. So by the way, Ashish is already part of our transformationist community, which is, we are now working with him for the next level program. So thank you so much for your feedback, Ashish. Yes, Anila, you're already part of the community. You can move ahead. Thank you so much. So Anila, Ashish, Bharat, and Narendra, you are part of the community. Shilpi, you are also almost part of the community. So if you want, you can move ahead. This question is specifically for okay. So this question is specifically for Finbar, Hemant, and Madhu. So do you want me to go ahead and talk about it? What is this? What will be this 5 days program be covering?
Sir, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, yesterday when we spoke, is it the same program about which we spoke yesterday?
This is actually one level down, which you have already done it.
Okay.
The 5 days program. So for you, it is not required here. From here on, you can just move on. So because you'll be already moving to our next level community on this, which is a next program than this one.
So that is the reason there is difference between the fees, or what is it? I just wanted to understand because.
So by the way, this pricing is what I think you have taken it up in some 500 or 1000 rupees, right? Currently the pricing for this is 3000 rupees. And this program you have already completed, the 5 days program.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
This program you have already completed, which is currently 3000, for which you paid, I think, 1000 or something like that. And the program which you have taken is a very different program, which is a next level program after this.
All right. So I shall quit right now, right?
Yeah, you can leave.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being there.
Thanks.
Yeah. So basically the pricing which you are seeing it on the platform right now, Finbar, Hemant, and Madhu and Aisha, is 11,100 rupees. This is the actual price which we have kept in for that, and $156, wherein we are going to work with you on aspects of, this is what we are going to work with you on that, and I'll just explain that to you. I will be having a 5 days program with you, which will be 1 hour each every day. And at the end of the 5th day would be actually the 2-hour session, where I'll be explaining to you entire concept of value proposition, sales and marketing, and the automation framework and what technology platforms you can use. You'll be getting a lifetime access of our VIP community, which means that you will be getting immediate access to our no, Finbar, if you don't want to do that, this is not a mandatory requirement for being there on the platform. But yes, the people who are into this VIP community, they will be getting a preference, because they will be going through the structured program or a training program of a value proposition. What are their niche and where they can support. So they will be getting the first preference, while everybody else also will get an option once these people are not able to service the current requirements of that. So they will be, of course, getting onboarded. The purpose of this particular session is that you will not be able, you will not only get the access to our prime access to our community for the programs, but you will also be able to generate your own business and grow your business accordingly. So that is what the whole module will be training on, that which will become you self-sustainable out there. And that is what the concept in this, which will be working it out. In US dollars, it will be around $48. In Indian rupees, it is 3,000 rupees. Hope I've answered your question. Okay, thanks, Vinder. So wherein you will be getting this, you will be also getting a mini website, which is a one-on-one mentoring profile, and a core section access, by which when you will be creating the shows on the platform, you can sell your programs and put your links onto the onto the windows and promote your programs. We'll be promoting your programs in all our community as well, and we'll be getting you customers for the same. So it is basically developing your own business in your own niche, or your within your target audience. There'll be a pre-recorded webinars on growing your personal brand. There'll be, which is around 90 minutes. There'll be a pre-recorded training on sales and marketing, how to handle objections, how to close, closing techniques. All those will be explained to you. Into that, apart from the 5 days program, which I'll be giving it to you, there'll be a promotional templates. We will be giving it to you around 60 plus micro learning videos with, respect to Facebook, Instagram, and Quora marketing, by which you can grow your own business yourself, take the entire revenues out there. Whatever is coming in from our side, we'll be doing it on a revenue sharing model. But whatever is you are generating the business, you can generate your own business from your own social media accounts. There'll be 20 ebooks and guides. We will be giving it to you, and there'll be 1 lakh plus ready to use articles and 500 plus images. You can use it for a social media purposes. So this is where we'll be giving you this benefit. So this entire option is what you will be getting in just 3,000 rupees at this point in time. These prices will change. They typically changes every 15 days or so. And this is what the current prices are. And this is the last batch of this particular year, which we are conducting. We'll be starting up the batch from 23rd of December. And then we will be completing this batch. The first quarter of 2021, we will be supporting them and helping them to grow their businesses to an entirely different level. This is what we are looking at, so that before this financial year ends of 2021, you should be able to generate so much business for yourself. And this is what we are looking at in this program. So I'll just share a few of the aspects, what others have seen kind of benefit for this kind of training program. Priya was able to earn 5x of revenues in just a month's time after completing this 5 days program. This is what the benefit of that. Dinesh was struggling with his stock market training, and he has been able to get 2 lakh worth of products, service training programs within 10 days itself. And this is what he has got. He has got projects from UK, Canada, Hong Kong. He is now into 120 plus, Facebook groups, and he has got so much, expertise with him, or, trust from his customers, that they are ready to spend, even thousands or, $200,000, $300,000 as well on his advice. This is the kind of benefit which you will get in with this just 5 days program. And whatever the people who are there, so they have been seeing the benefits out of it. And I'll be putting up the link in the chat window to all of you. You can check that out, and you can pay it around over there. Or you can go on to the bringleacademy.com, go in the community section. There is a community called Top 100 Mentors Club that you can go and pay it over there. We will be looking forward for all of you to be part of that session. If you want to have a fast track growth, if you want a normal growth, the normal process of onboarding, you can continue with the normal process out there. And this is what Dorit, who has to, she has joined our actually the next level group, and you have already seen the 4 people who have joined this session. They're already part of my next level program, and they're already seeing a lot of benefits out of it, and that is why they are getting into this program. But this 5 days program is going to be the really beneficial for you. Dorit is from Norway. She's a hypnotherapist, and how she's changing a lot of people's lives at this point in time, and change her business model from $1,000 business model to a $5,000 business model at this point in time. Neil Kapoor has been running using the same concept for his own startup as well as his soft skill training program. Priyanka was working for giving training on Python in the segment of college students. We changed her target audience to the school children, and now she's having she made actually around 1.5 lakh rupees in just a month's time. So we have been working with TiE Bangalore and various other aspects and other platforms. So this is what the broad level expectations, the benefits you will be getting in. If you have any questions, I would be happy to answer those questions right now. Any questions, Hemant, Madhu, Aisha?
No questions now.
Okay. So Hemant, I would like to know what was your intention of joining this webinar?
See, I'm restarting my coaching and training business.
Mm-hmm.
So I was looking forward for some new ideas.
New ideas. Okay. So I would suggest that you're already part of one of my WhatsApp groups, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you think that, you would like to take it forward in terms of the growth strategy for your business? Which area you are trying to look at it right now? I saw coaching and that, but what segment specifically you're looking at?
Business people, MSMEs.
MSMEs. And
Yeah.
what is the challenge you're facing at this point in time?
Challenge I'm facing is basically getting the clients.
Okay.
That's the main challenge.
Okay. You have a product ready?
I have a product by and large ready.
Okay. What is the product all about?
No, it's about a coaching, coaching process and consulting process.
Fine. No problem. So Hemant, let's discuss it out offline. I think we are almost overshooting our timing. So we will discuss this offline and we'll take it up. Looking forward to see you all part of Top 100 Mentors Club VIP community. Madhu, I sincerely suggest you to join that. I think I've suggested you sometime back as well.
Yes.
You have a really good potential which you are picking up. The children segment is a very good segment. Okay. So don't miss this batch on this, because probably I will take some time to start a new batch onto that. So pick up this batch so that at least by January itself you start making some revenues and eventually have your virtual school as well. You can start doing it with your creative workshops and eventually convert that into a proper virtual school. So the dream which you have for yourself to set up develop your school probably can happen within 2021 itself.
Yeah, sure. I will connect with you.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Kamal, for joining. I'm just closing the session now, but thanks for joining. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining, and looking forward to see you in part of Top 100 Mentors Club community. And we'll be taking your onboarding process very, 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 very soon on the same. Keep bringing, keep growing.